Hi students, welcome to Vedi Academy. Now we are going to start a new playlist, Carbon and its Compound, and this is regarding 10th grade, okay? So 10th grade 4th chapter, Carbon and its Compound, is full detailed and each and every topics, tiny video we are going to cover, and end of the video we are going to practice some previous year questions too. So coming to the very first topic in this chapter is electron dot structure. So நமக்கு தெரியும் covalent compounds வந்து donating of electrons இல்ல accepting of electrons வந்து இருக்காது. They will be going for mutual sharing of electrons. அப்போ electrons எந்த மாதிரி ஷேர் ஆகுறாங்க அப்படிங்கிறத டீட்டெயில்டாக எலக்ட்ரான்ஸை வந்து காட்டுறது தான் this electron dot structure. கண்டிப்பாக you can expect question from this part. This is very important. So ஈஸிலேருந்து டஃப்பாக இருக்க கொஷின் வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே we are going to practice in this series. So coming to the first question, H2 gas. ஸோ ரொம்ப ஈஸி, ரெண்டு ஹைட்ரஜன் தான் இருக்குது. பட் இது ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டண்டான டாபிக்ன்றனால while you start writing the answer சில ஸ்டெப்ஸ் வந்து ஃபாலோ பண்ணிவிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் தான் ட்ரா பண்ண ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணும். ஓகே, ஸோ வெரி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் விச் யூ வாண்ட் ரைட் இஸ் அட்டாமிக் நம்பர். ஸோ கொடுத்துருக்க காம்பவுண்டுக்கு யூ வாண்ட் ரைட் தி அட்டாமிக் நம்பர். ஸோ அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஹைட்ரஜன் இஸ் 1. நெக்ஸ்ட் திங் விச் யூ வாண்ட் ரைட் இஸ் எலக்ட்ரானிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன். ஸோ எந்த ஆட்டம் கொடுத்துருந்தாலும் யூ ஹாவ் டு ரைட் ஷெல் எலக்ட்ரானிக் கான்ஃபிகரேஷன் எழுதணும். ஓகே, so hydrogen atomic number 1, so obviously electronic configuration is also 1. Coming to the next, outermost electron, that you have to concentrate because while you are drawing you will be concentrating only in the outermost electrons. So configuration is also 1, obviously outermost electron is also 1. So after completing these 3 details, we have to write this detail in order to avoid mistakes. Okay, so after completing this you want to start with structures. So first inga 2 hydrogen irukka, so write 2 hydrogen separately. Hydrogen oda outermost electron 1, so place that 1 electron outside. Okay, done. So in this step varaikum neenga correct ah pannitale paadi mistakes avoid pannittom, ellame almost correct pannittom artham. Now இப்போ for example hydrogen in the stage la இது stable ah irukana illa, because there is only 1 electron at the outermost. It need 1 more electron to get its stability, so appada first shell vandu complete agum. As hydrogen have no capability of either donating and accepting, so they are going for mutual sharing. So let it be A hydrogen and this let it be B hydrogen. So A hydrogen stable ஆகிறதுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா பக்கத்தில் இருக்க electron atom கிட்ட electron mutually share பண்ணிப்பாங்க. This A hydrogen will donate 1 electron to B hydrogen and this B hydrogen will get 1 electron from A hydrogen. So நம்ம circle பண்ணும்போது the thing which you want to concentrate is circle பண்ணும்போது this particular circle, okay, இந்த circle வந்து ஒரே ஒரு ஆட்டம்க்கு மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். அந்த சர்க்கிள்குள்ள மல்டிபிள் ஆஃப் எலக்ட்ரான்ஸ் இருக்கக்கூடாது, ஒரே ஒரு ஆட்டம் மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும். And see this H need 2 electron to get its stability. So make sure inside the circle you are drawing 2 electrons. 2 electron உள்ள கவர் ஆயிருக்கான்றதை செக் பண்ணணும். Okay, now coming to B element. So B hydrogen need 1 electron to get its stability. So அந்த ஒரு எலக்ட்ரானை A டந்து வாங்கிப்பாங்க. So இந்த சர்க்கிள்குள்ள you can see only 1 hydrogen. So ஒரு ஹைட்ரஜன் தான் இருக்கு. That hydrogen need 2 electron to get its stability. So 2 electron இருக்கு. So 2 எலக்ட்ரானை பாண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. ஸோ இட் இஸ் H சிங்கிள் பாண்ட், ஹெச்சில் தான் இந்த ஹைட்ரஜன் இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். ஓகே, ஐ ஹோப் யூ ஆர் கெட்டிங் திஸ் பாயிண்ட். வில் கோ வித் த நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் O2. ஸோ கமிங் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் எக்ஸாம்பிள் O2. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங் ஆப்வியஸ்லி வாட் யூ வாண்ட் டு ரைட் அட்டாமிக் நம்பர். ஸோ அட்டாமிக் நம்பர் ஆஃப் ஆக்சிஜன் இஸ் 8. And coming to the next one, electronic configuration. So this is 2,6. So first shell consists of 2 and second consists of 6. And coming to the next topic, next thing, outermost electron. So outermost electron is 6 here, so write 6. And after that you want to proceed with drawing this. So oxygen is 2, so draw 2 oxygen. Place all the 6 electrons, that is outermost electron, right? So place all the 6 electrons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And same for this next oxygen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, I'm changing the color so that you can differentiate while you are drawing the circle. Okay, now look into this A oxygen. There is 6 electron in the outermost. So according to the octet rule, 8 electron in the outermost leads to the stability of an atom. So 8 electron in the outermost is stable. Now when you look into the first atom, oxygen, there is only 6 electron and you need 2 more. So அப்போ எங்க இருந்து வாங்குவாங்க? ஸோ பக்கத்தில் B oxygen இருக்காங்க. ஸோ அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து தான் 2 எலக்ட்ரானை வாங்குவாங்க. As oxygen also, it is a non-metal, so they will not like non-metal and non-metal bonding இருந்தாலே அது covalent தான். So covalent na there will be a mutual sharing of electrons, so donating and accepting is not possible. So oxygen க்கு வேணுங்கிற அந்த 2 எலக்ட்ரான் இங்க இருந்து ஷேர் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. Okay, so inside the circle only one atom must be there, ஒரு atom இருக்கு, and this oxygen need 8 electron to get its stability. So 6 already அவங்க கிட்ட இருக்கு, so 2 வந்து பக்கத்துல இருந்து வாங்கிட்டாங்க, so that becomes stable now. Now coming to B oxygen, so there is 6 already, it need 2 more, so gain 2 from the nearby neighbor இருந்து 2 வாங்கிக்கிறாங்க. So when you look into this circle, there is only one oxygen and 8 electrons is there inside the circle. So make sure you are drawing the circle by covering one element and rest of the 8 electrons. Okay, so connect all the bonds. So oxygen and oxygen is connected with double bond. இதை தான் வந்து நம்ம O2 னு எழுதுறோம். அப்போ O2 னு எங்க பார்த்தாலும் oxygen double bond connectionல இருக்காங்கன்னு அர்த்தம். Okay, so we'll practice with the next example, N2. So what is the first thing you want to write? Atomic number. Atomic number of oxygen is 7. Sorry, nitrogen is 7. And coming to the next, electronic configuration. What is the configuration? 2,5 is a configuration. And coming to the outermost electron, so outermost electron is 5. I hope you know to write electronic configuration. We'll revise once again, okay? As atomic number is 7, so this is nucleus. First shell consists of 2 electrons and second consists of 8. There is 8 electron to be hold. But nitrogen வந்து 7ன்றனால 2 already place பண்ணிட்டோம், so rest of the 5 elements will be there in the outermost. Sorry, 5 electrons will be there in the outermost. So இதுதான் இந்த configuration எழுதுறோம், first 2 and next 5. Okay, so the outermost electron is 5. Done. So next thing what you have to write? So N2 2 இருக்கு, அப்போ 2 nitrogen தனித்தனியா எழுதிக்கணும். And outermost 5, so place all the 5 electrons around it. ஓகே, இப்போ இந்த நைட்ரஜன் ஸ்டேபிளானா ஸ்டேபிள் இல்லை, பிகாஸ் 8 எலக்ட்ரான் இருந்தால் தான் ஸ்டேபிள், 5 தான் இருக்குது. ஸோ இட் நீட் 3 more எலக்ட்ரான் டு கெட் இட் ஸ்டெபிலிட்டி. ஸோ யார்கிட்டருந்து வாங்குவாங்க? பக்கத்தில் இருந்து they will be getting this 3 electrons. ஓகே, ஸோ சர்க்கிள்குள்ளே ஒரே ஒரு ஆட்டம், நைட்ரஜனுக்கு வேணுங்கிற 8 எலக்ட்ரானுமே அந்த சர்க்கிள்குள்ளே கவர் ஆகணும். கம்மிங் டு த நெக்ஸ்ட் பார்ட், நெக்ஸ்ட் சைட் பி நைட்ரஜன். ஸோ பி நைட்ரஜனில் 5 ஆல்ரெடி இருக்காங்க, இட் நீட் 3 more, that will be gained from the near one. Okay, so connect all the bonds. So N triple bond N. So nitrogen gas is connected with triple bond. Okay, can you understand? So coming to the next one, fluorine. So first thing what you want to write? Atomic number. Atomic number of fluorine is 9. And what is the configuration? 2,7. And what is the outermost electron? 7. Okay, so next what you have to write? So 2 fluorine தனித்தனியா எழுதிக்கோங்க. 7 is the outermost. So place 7 electrons and place 7 electrons on the other side. So is fluorine stable? No. So it need 8 electron to get its stability. So ஒரு electron பக்கத்துல இருக்க fluorine இருந்து எடுத்துட்டாங்க. So look into the circle, only one element inside and 8 electron around it. So coming to this next fluorine, there is only 7 electrons. So it need one more, that will be gained from the next nearby fluorine. Okay, so அப்போ இந்த fluorine connect பண்ணுங்க. So fluorine and fluorine is connected with a single bond. That's all, very easy concept. So coming to the next one, chlorine gas. So first thing what you have to write? Atomic number. Atomic number of chlorine is 17. And what is electronic configuration? This is 2,8, 7. Okay, coming to this outermost electron is 7, so 7. So there is 2 chlorine, draw 2 chlorine separately. Outermost is 7, so place 7 electrons around it, and this side 7 electrons. Okay, now coming to this chlorine, as chlorine is stable, no, it need one more electron to get its stability. As they cannot donate and accept, they are going for mutual sharing, so they will be accepting 1 electron from the nearby chlorine. Done. So look into the circle, only one element and 8 electron is covered in that. and coming to the next chlorine, and that also gains 1 electron from the near one. And look into this circle, only one element and 8 electrons is around it. Okay, now connect this electron. So chlorine connected to chlorine with a single bond. Okay, can you understand? So these compounds are like same, it is very easy, so we'll little complicate the compounds. So H2O. So first what you have to do, same thing, first you want to write atomic number. As you can see, two elements, hydrogen separately and oxygen separately, you want to write the atomic number. So atomic number of hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 8. And coming to the electronic configuration, hydrogen is 1 and configuration of oxygen is 2, 6. And coming to the next one, outermost electron, hydrogen is 1 and oxygen is 6. Okay, so now look into this, you can see a multiple, like there is more than one atom, hydrogen is more than one, okay, whereas oxygen is only one. Keep that single in the center and rest of the compounds around it. Okay, okay, now place the outermost electron, hydrogen have 1 and hydrogen have 1, oxygen is 6 electrons in the outermost, so place 6 electrons around it. Okay, so after doing this, first thing what you have to draw, you have to circle. So we'll go with the easiest compound first, hydrogen. So hydrogen have only 1 electron and it need 1 more electron to get its stability. So take 1 electron from this oxygen. Okay, and 1 more, this hydrogen have only 1 electron, so take 1 more from oxygen. Now both the oxygens, more the hydrogens are stable by having a 2 electrons in it. Now coming to the oxygen, oxygen have only 6 electrons in it, it needs 2 more to get its stability. There are 2 different hydrogen which carries 1 electron, so take 1 electron from this side and 1 electron from this side. So connect the bonds. So oxygen connected with hydrogen in a single bond, and other side there is another single bond. I hope you know how to write this. And coming to the next thing, which is ammonia. So ammonia formula is NH3, whereas ammonium is NH4. Okay, don't confuse with this. So coming to the very first thing, atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and hydrogen is 1. And next thing, electronic configuration. So for nitrogen it is 2, 5 and for hydrogen it is 1. Coming to this outermost electron, for nitrogen it is 5 and hydrogen it is 1. Done. Now single element must be in the center and rest of the elements around it. Done. So nitrogen have 5 electron in its outermost, so I am differentiating with cross, and for hydrogen there is 1 electron, so I am writing it as dot. Okay. Now coming to this first hydrogen, is it stable? No, it need 1 more electron to get its stability, so that will be taken from the nitrogen. And coming to this other hydrogen, so this is also not stable, so they are taking 1 electron from this nitrogen. And coming to this hydrogen, it need 1 more electron, so taking from this hydrogen. Okay, so make sure no same electron is shared by different elements. See, for example, if you're drawing an element, for example, this is nitrogen have 5 electrons and hydrogen on the other side. So while you're sharing the electron, each element must share different electrons, not the same. So same electron, sharing of the same electron should not be done. Okay, this is wrong, this is wrong, okay, this is wrong. So this is correct. Okay, so each element must take only separate electrons from separate elements. Okay, now hydrogen, so all the hydrogens are stable. Now coming to the nitrogen, there is 5 in it, it needs 3 more, and 3 hydrogens have 1 electrons, so take all the 3. By covering all that, you want to draw a circle. So make sure, look into the circle, we must have only 1 element, there is 1 element and it need 8 electron to get its stability. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already is there with nitrogen and 3 more from hydrogens, that must be covered inside the circle. Now connect all the bonds. So it is N, single bond hydrogen and single bond hydrogen. Okay, so we can say nitrogen have 3 different single bonds. Okay, this you should not call it as triple bond, that is wrong. Okay, for example, if a 2 different element holds triple bond, 3 bonds, and that is said to be triple bond, and this they have separate bonds So this you have to call it as 3 single bond. Sorry. Next, carbon dioxide. So first, very first thing which you want to write is atomic number. So atomic number of carbon is 6 and oxygen is 8. So coming to the next one, electronic configuration for carbon is 2, 4 and oxygen is 2, 6. Coming to this outermost electron, it is 4 and for oxygen it is 6. Okay, for carbon it is 4. So carbon is a single element, so place it in the center, and oxygen there is 2, so place it on the either side. Okay, so carbon have 4 electrons in it, so 4 electrons. Oxygen is 6 in the outermost, so I am differentiating with the different shapes, so 6 electrons around it. Okay, is oxygen stable? No, it needs 2 more electrons to get its stability, as it has 6 electrons in its outermost. So take 2 electrons from carbon. Done. Now look into the circle, 1 element and 8 electrons, so oxygen is stable. Now coming to this side, on either side of the oxygen, so oxygen have 6 electrons, it needs 2 more to get its stability, so 2 from the carbon atom. Okay, so look into the circle, there is 1 element and 8 electrons in this outermost. Now both the oxygen is stable. Now coming to this carbon, is carbon stable? No, they have only 4 electrons in its outermost, so it needs 4 more. As 2 electrons is either side, so you want to take 2 electrons from either oxygens. So 2 from this side and 2 from this side. You should not take 4 electrons from one side, then that will not satisfy the compound. So attach it, so it is connected with C double bond O and double bond O. So carbon dioxide is connected with 2 double bonds.